The K&F Concept Magic Arm Clamp Kit KF-10 is a versatile accessory that seamlessly integrates with a wide array of camera equipment, enhancing your creative possibilities. With its innovative 360-degree adjustable dual ball head design, this magic arm provides users with exceptional flexibility in positioning their devices. The clamp's ability to attach to various surfaces from poles to tables ensures it meets diverse fixing requirements, accommodating different thicknesses with ease. Constructed from high-quality metal, this durable magic arm is designed to withstand wear, while its anti-slip features offer additional protection for your equipment. The magic arm's user-friendly thumbscrews allow for effortless adjustment, enabling quick repositioning and secure locking in any desired angle. This magic arm kit, crafted by Shenzhen Zhuoer Photograph, stands out for its reliable performance, making it an ideal choice for photographers and videographers alike.